In this video, we'll show you how to add your own collections to Boutique, which is really exciting because it allows you to personalize the in-store experience, showcase your unique designs, and emotionally connect with each customer. In just seconds, to create a collection, all you need to do is copy the 3DM files you want to include into a folder. And that's it. If you like, you can also add preview images to make it look even better. In future videos, we'll show you how to create a collection with multiple metal options. If you don't include preview images, RhinoArtisan will automatically generate them from the 3DM file. Everything's ready, but first, let's add information to each jewel. You can do this from the Boutique panel, which you'll find under the Files tab. We'll add the model's information and save it. The names of the 3DM files don't matter. They just define the order in the collection. What is important is that the model's cover image has the same name. For example, Jewels 01.3DM must have an image with the exact same name, but in JPG format, Jewels 01 JPG. Now it's time to add your collection to Boutique. Back in RhinoArtisan, go to the Boutique section and click the drop-down menu. Select Create a Collection. One detail to keep in mind. In Boutique, we have Boutique collections and components. The difference is that collections are complete designs, whereas components are parts you can use and combine at any time. In this case, we'll select Boutique. Give your collection a name and description. These will appear in the preview within Boutique, so make sure they clearly represent what your collection offers. After that, you can choose whether to add it directly to Boutique or create a zip file to share. In this case, we want it to appear directly inside the RhinoArtisan application. And that's it. Your new custom collection is ready to use. Let's see how it looks. Starting from a new file, simply click on Boutique and your collection will be right there. And the best part, with just one click, you can load the model and start working on it instantly. If you have any questions about creating your collections, don't hesitate to contact us.